Denver experience, it's always really good. There's a lot of really good teams this year especially, and I think we helped to raise the level of competition this year, especially with our practice field and with our robot. It just drives everyone to do better and better each year, so competition is unreal. Denver's awesome to us. So some of the problems we had, we actually got a crack in some of our wheels, which Andy from Andy Mark actually congratulated me on, which was pretty exciting. So that was good. He took a picture of me with the wheel, and then a couple of other things. We had to do a little bit more with the floop-de-wop, and then we had to get our shooter working, which we had done some modifications since Arizona. We won Engineering Inspiration, which was awesome. I know our presentation team as well as the rest of the team put in a lot of hard work to get that, and it's extremely rewarding, especially being able to go to championship and redeem ourselves for that red card and everything. It just feels great, and I'm excited to get out there and play.
It was probably the most energetic event I've been to. Our team was super involved. I mean, you could always go, and even if we weren't on the field, our team was out cheering. They were having a blast. Every dance that was on, they would dance to. I mean, the energy level was so high. The MC there just kept us all entertained. I mean, aside from what we did in what we succeeded at in Denver, the energy level just made the event so much fun. So the biggest problems that we had, we started a lot with alliances in the qualification. The ranking point system we had to take a different approach on that, and we weren't quite ready for that. So we faced some challenges, but we ended up getting picked by the second alliance with Prototype X, and we did fairly well in the quarterfinal matches, or the quarterfinal matches with them.
The red card, I don't know if I want to talk about it.
Oh God, the red card. So the Team Impulse was on Team Kraken's alliance, and they were playing a solid defense. And so we were playing really aggressive to get around their defense, and in doing so, Prototype X tipped them over one match, we tipped them over one match, and that red carded us out and disqualified us from the third match. So it was very unfortunate. I mean, there were some interesting occurrences that went on with that, some questioning, but I mean, we got through it. We still ended up making it to championships with Engineering Inspiration, and overall, we still succeeded as a team, and that's what's important. We won Engineering Inspiration for all the great demos that we do and getting kids involved in STEM. Personally, I worked really hard to win the Dean's List Award, which is a leadership award that is presented to 2 students at each regional, and that qualifies me for Dean's List at Championships, which then I will go and do the interview process again and compete for Championships Dean's List, and that's a huge deal to me. It's a huge accomplishment I never thought I'd be able to do.